What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop, back with another video. Guys, y'all already see me, man. I'm snowed in today, guys. Oh, man. Got my little son and my nephew out here, man. They rocking with me. But, yeah, guys. Man. The whole street's cold, man. And, man, my little truck just sitting there, bro. Frozen. This is my first time coming out here today, guys. I'm gonna actually see if I can get a nice little cold start in, man. But man, y'all can see your boy laced up, man. I got the big leather coat on with the jacket underneath. I got my warm waterproof boots on, man. So I'm somewhat ready for this little weather. But man, as y'all know, the boy won't be able to put no content out, man. So y'all gotta bear with me, man. You know, y'all gonna get these vlogs, man. It's wintertime vlogs, and that's what it is, guys. So first thing first, man, I'm gonna see if I can get y'all a little cold start, man. We're gonna see if the truck actually want to start today. So let's see. It's cold, guys. It probably do. It probably don't. Y'all can see, guys. We got the block out, man. They riding the four-wheelers around here. Y'all can see. Doing burnouts on the four-wheeler over there, guys. Feeling like the winter, guys. So man, the truck did start it, bro. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna leave it started, man. I'm gonna let it warm up, stay started for like at least 5 minutes, man. But yeah, guys, I thought I'd just check in with y'all, man. Give y'all one of these little wintertime vlogs, you know. It's cold out here, guys, man. I'm in Dallas Fort Worth area, man. It's at least 21 degrees out here, guys. So, man, what I need everybody to do, jump down in the comment where y'all at right now, what city, what state that y'all in. And, man, y'all comment how many degrees it is out there, guys. And, man, y'all know, shit, it's cold, man. You know what I'm saying, guys? So, yeah, I got plenty more stuff coming for this vehicle, man. Y'all know, like I told y'all, I'm going to keep y'all posted with everything that I do. Shouts out to all my supporters who've been supporting me, man, through all my little content, guys. Y'all know, man. Y'all see the Lexus right here as well, man. It came down on us big time, guys. So, man, we gonna just enjoy this here weather. Well, yeah, guys. Like I was saying, man. I got plenty of things coming, guys. Y'all just gotta bear with me, man. I've been going through this here weather. We've been facing this weather, guys. Get around through this weather, man. Y'all know, like I said, guys, I'm gonna drop the truck off sometime probably next month, February. Well, this month, actually, guys, probably about the middle of this month. I'm gonna drop the truck off, man, and I'm gonna do the full DOD delete as well as the stage 2 cam. Springs, man, we're gonna do the whole deal. Then after that, guys, I'm gonna order this here Bellatech kit, a 4-2 drop, and we're gonna do that probably following the next week, guys. But man, y'all just stay tuned for that, man. You know what I mean? But yeah, y'all gonna catch these vlogs. In the meantime, guys, you know I gotta keep y'all posted. Most definitely, man. I gotta keep the content coming to the channel. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can catch these vlogs, guys. You know, yeah, like I said, man. Y'all see me, man. I got on your boy had to pull the old leather jacket out, you know. He had to pull the old school thing out today, guys. But man, like I said, bro, it's cold. I wish everybody stay warm, man. And hey, y'all don't have to be on these highways if y'all don't have to be on these highways, guys. So with that being said, man, hey, y'all chill, spend some time with your family, man. This weather right here. Hey, spend some time with your family, man. Burn your fireplace, y'all. Watch y'all some Netflix and chill, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, we most definitely watch your boy. You won't stop, you know. know, y'all watch one of these fight videos on YouTube, man. You know what I mean? Show your boy some love, guys. But I'm gonna try to walk into the corner, man. I'm gonna show y'all how it really is around the way. I ain't gonna be out here too long, you know. You know, your boy ain't really used to this here, so we ain't gonna be out here too long in this here shit, you feel me? But man, just to show y'all, turning around, y'all can see. That's ice. That's ice. We looking at least about 2 inches of ice on this ground, y'all. So y'all be careful with y'all travels, you heard me? If y'all don't have to leave out the house, don't leave out the house. You feel me? Wait till somebody call you, make they boy stop at the store. But nah, no, for real though, guys. Look, man, y'all don't leave out the house, man. You feel me? Y'all keep y'all cars inside, in y'all garage, and y'all driveways, man. You know, save y'all insurance claims, guys. You feel me? But yeah, I'm gonna just stay out here a couple of more minutes, man, with my son and my nephew. And man, we going back in where it's warm at, guys. You know? So yeah, man, y'all keep in tune, man. Y'all stay locked. You heard me? Most definitely jump down, man. Leave your boy one of them fire comments. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. And yeah, rock out with your boy, man. It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop logging on, signing out. Like I say, man, y'all know the slogan. Positive live spray, positive vibes, guys. So until the next video, man, look, I need everybody to stay warm, you heard me? Get y'all a nice cup of coffee or some tea, whatever it is that you're gonna do to stay warm. Y'all need to do that, guys. Stay out these roads and put y'all pets inside, guys. But until the next video, it's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop, man. I'm gonna see y'all again. Peace.
Baby, diamonds and